Guys, I've been seeing this comment, so luckily Sunday World they covered the story, so I can now run with the story. So, guys, it is alleged ukuthi somebody he knew about. Remember, Historis as a Potchefstroom of 541 kg of drugs worth 200 million that disappeared in the offices of AmaHawks, the Priority Crime Preventions. So, uDJ somebody, it is alleged that he knew or uyaz or his part of that consignment that disappeared in those facilities of Hawks, because it is said that those drugs they were found in Johannesburg but disappeared in Potchefstroom, and then they were already cut and being sold in Johannesburg at some of the clubs that are owned by uDJ somebody. Like so when these drugs were confiscated by AmaHawks, guys, I want you to like do you still remember the Moti brothers? Do you still remember these 4 young boys which were kidnapped? These 4 boys, guys, they were kidnapped on their way to school in Polokwane around 7 a.m. whereby 7 men they abducted these boys with AMA rifles. And then couple of weeks later, after the consignment of that 200 million rand drugs disappeared in the Hawks office, these boys they were found. And like ironically, these boys they were found, and there's allegations that there was a ransom of 50 million rand that was requested by the kidnappers. Jigi. When police wanted the proof of the 50 million rand requested by the kidnappers, there's no proof was it paid or was it not paid. Even up until today, South Africans they still want to know was the money paid by the Moti family. And then after the Moti family finding these boys, then they did not want to cooperate with the police. Who was the Minister of Police back then? Bheki Cele. They did not want to cooperate with the police, and on top of that, they did not want to give AMA statements. How can your boys be kidnapped for almost 3 weeks and then you do not want to give AMA statements to the police with what is happening? Something is fish. It is also alleged, guys, the private jet that belonged to the Moti family, somehow it was used by the politicians in South Africa. Isn't this a coincidence, guys? Like the point that I'm trying to raise here, guys, after this Moti family failed to cooperate with the police, they decided that they want to leave South Africa and migrate to abroad and live overseas. Since then, South Africans, we've never had any link or any clarity to what really happened to these Moti family brothers. So the other thing, guys, if you can look at this matter like this, do you still remember the map that I drew? You can just check my few previous videos of this. uDJ somebody, it is alleged u-Analive ngu Molefe, and uMolefe uyiskimu nobani no Cat. And it is alleged to Cat he rented a penthouse for uBheki Cele back like couple of years back. Like, guys, why this puzzle it always comes back to the same people? Why? That is my question. And now in 2025, 2023, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 4 years, AmaHawks, they want to reinvestigate that 2 million rand 541 kg cocaine that disappeared in their offices. What really happened? Now they want to investigate why all along did this guy not investigate this thing. It became a cold case. And who was the head of Hawks? Godfrey Lebeya. Kwenzakalani lapha ku state Hey guys, man, I will leave this thing to you. Nina nizasho in the comment section with what do we think.